Hey there, gamers! Are you looking to level up your streaming or gaming experience? Well, you're in luck because today we have an exciting video for you. We'll be counting down the top 5 best budget gaming microphones in 2023. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these microphones will take your audio quality to the next level. So let's jump right into it. Kicking off our list is the Razer Seiren X USB streaming microphone. This sleek and compact condenser microphone delivers crystal clear audio for your gaming sessions or live streaming adventures. With its super cardioid polar pattern, it captures your voice with exceptional clarity while reducing background noise. It's also equipped with a 3.5 mm headphone output for zero latency monitoring. Compatible with both Windows and macOS, this microphone is a must-have for any budget-conscious gamer. Next up, we have the FIFINE B dynamic microphone. This versatile microphone is perfect for gamers who want a dynamic range and a rugged design. With its cardioid polar pattern, it captures your voice with clarity while minimizing unwanted background noise. The FIFINE microphone offers a frequency response of 50 Hz to 16 Zs, ensuring a warm and rich sound for your gaming sessions. It's equipped with a 3.5 mm headphone jack for zero latency monitoring, and the integrated volume control knob allows you to adjust the audio on the fly. Compatible with both Windows and macOS, this microphone gives you best of both worlds. Coming in at number 3 is the HyperX SoloCast USB condenser gaming microphone. If you're looking for a microphone that's compact yet powerful, this is the one for you. With its cardioid polar pattern, it captures your voice with excellent clarity while minimizing background noise. The HyperX SoloCast offers a frequency response of 20 high Z to 20 kz, ensuring your voice is reproduced accurately. It also features an adjustable stand, LED indicator, tap to mute sensor, and a shock mount for added convenience. Compatible with Windows, macOS, C, S4, and S5, this microphone is perfect for gamers who want high-quality audio without breaking the bank. Our fourth pick is the FIFINE Gaming USB microphone. This condenser microphone offers exceptional performance at an affordable price. With its cardioid polar pattern, it captures your voice with clarity while minimizing unwanted background noise. The FIFINE microphone features a frequency response of 20 high Z to 20 Cs, ensuring your voice sounds crisp and clear. It comes with an adjustable stand, integrated volume control knob, and a 3.5 mm headphone output for zero latency monitoring. Compatible with Windows, macOS, PS4, S5, Xbox One, and other gaming consoles, this microphone is a fantastic choice for budget-conscious gamers. Last but not least, we have the MAONO USB gaming microphone for CA. This condenser microphone offers excellent audio quality and versatility. With its cardioid polar pattern, it captures your voice with precision while minimizing background noise. The MAONO microphone offers a frequency response of 20 Zs to 20 Zs, ensuring your voice sounds clear and vibrant. It features an adjustable stand, a 3.5 mm headphone output for zero latency monitoring, and convenient mute and volume control button. Compatible with Windows, macOS, S4, S5, Xbox One, and other gaming consoles, this microphone is a fantastic option for budget-conscious gamers who want professional-grade audio. And there you have it, our top 5 best budget gaming microphones in 2023. Whether you choose the Razer Seiren X, FIFINE X, HyperX SoloCast, FIFINE X SoloCast, FIFINE Gaming PCUs, or MAONO USB Gaming Microphone, you can't go wrong with any of these options. We've included links to all the microphones in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Elevate your gaming experience and take your audio quality to the next level with these amazing budget-friendly microphones. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gaming content. And as always, happy gaming,